was at least 2 thou off. Okay, Henry, fundraiser idea. The next railroad days, we're gonna sell candy crumbs. They're gonna be NMHR nuts.
Hold on, give me a moment.
Please don't leave that out. Oh, of course I can hold your air compressor hostage, so.
You can hold Henry hostage, so.
Yeah, but I like him.
Yeah, that would be you holding him hostage.
And that's just a love of cast
Alright,
iron.
here's a bunch of projects. It's cast steel, thank you very much.
The boys. You really are.
Oh yeah.
What do you have to say for yourself, sir?
Oh yeah.
What is your profession again?
Oh yeah.
Welcome to Ironwood Farms. After 2 years, we are finally going to conquer the fireman side air compressor. Firstly, before we do anything, we need to give the air compressor a cleaning to get all the oil and insulation off.
The air compressor?
Air compressor.
What kind of air compressor?
Tell me when.
You know, they don't work wirelessly.
You don't have a Bluetooth? Come on, Scotty, it's 2024. Get with the times.
Oh yeah, I'll go pick up a wireless pressure washer.
Is there liquid?
Correct.
Bye, Scotty. We'll see you later.
I don't think he's coming back.
I shall count the hours till we meet again. Oh, there he goes. He's so majestic. Right when you get there.
I will fill a jar with my tears for every time I cry while you're gone.
Fill a jar with something else. You gave me a lot of coffee.
Yeah.
Spencer's ready to go. That's why I normally don't get it with cream and sugar, because the caffeine's enough. But now there is sugar now too. there's sugar in it. Brain cell equals.
Someone's found the brain cell, and it isn't us. It's Altenbach.
There it goes. Look at him.
Oh.
You're really fun if I just panned away and it just... Alright, Henry, whenever you're ready. You missed. you turn the headlight on.
Well, fine, be that way.
No, it was fine. It was the perfect thing to feel like.
Gravy, do it.
Oh. I didn't actually mean to do that.
Oh, my lens.
Yeah,
Well,
I
we're
had a
leaving.
bullseye on the lens, so.
1 star. You're the absolute worst. Fill my pants.
That tire's low.
Now you're gonna park it nicely. Oh yeah, here we go. Park it nicely. Oh, it's a Ford. Nice. Are you sure there's no horn? Henry, is there no horn? There's no horn on this thing? It deserves a horn. Oh, and it's the same button as the speeder. Very nice.
Yeah.
We then begin to loosen the bolts to remove the top and bottom lids of the air compressor.
You did this one, right?
That's how you crank.
You did this one, right?
God, they know how to really
Yeah, Henry.
squeeze these in. Oh wait.
Lick up our hammer.
How did you know that was a 9/16?
I know these things.
Do what?
Probably get the heads off, then.
Yeah, well, you just do it kind of off. That's awesome. These are the ones.
You need a crescent wrench.
A crescent wrench.
I'm sorry. I would have said something.
Well, let's try the other end. The other end's different.
I swear. Before we swear.
I already loosened that one. You're just redoing my hopes and dreams. I loosened that one too.
Eye on the inside. The last one was bone dry on the inside. I love taking it apart.
It's just the shuttle valve.
Yeah, the shuttle valve. So it just moves back and forth and moves steam between different chambers to move steam between the 2 cylinders. Scotty,
Yep.
Do you approve of his explanation?
yeah, it's close enough.
I don't know who the videos. They're both so awesome.
They're so meticulous and orderly about it. Now you
Well,
guys.
now I know what I have replacement parts for.
But then again, you want to be able to, you know,
Stab
move-
people with it, right?
Not my first thought of a stabbing weapon, but
Sure. Not like I played EVE Online for 10 years.
oh my god. I'm so sorry.
I've never even played EVE Online.
Don't.
I was scared. But we like.
Yes, you hit me with it, and I'm trying. You just can't see it anymore.
I'm awesome. So I will do that because that's gonna be a lot easier.
Okay.
What's up?
What's up?
The key, but it had the rod has to go out of the head down it.
Well, the maintenance weight. That's right.
You are the worst. I waited 20 seconds for that.
Oh. Okay. There you go.
Scotty, I don't need your cherry. Oh, that's brown and gross.
It's natural. Don't worry. There you go. You got it. Nice.
Once the lid is off, we can then remove the pistons.
Wow, look at all. This ain't big enough.
I'm reasonably certain one of these wrenches fit those nuts.
Reasonably?
reasonable. Oh, look at me go.
I don't like it. Mm-hmm. Yeah. The other one. Okay. Towards me, Scotty. I'm gonna always ask you that. Ah.
Yep.
I see.
I was gonna say something. I figured I'd let you. If I was a 5/8 bolt, where would I be?
Probably with the bolts.
No, Sherlock, thanks. Nope. Thanks, not too bad.
Nice. No, I just pulled really hard.
Spike.
Oh, that's lovely.
They're for race cars. I think they're for.
After removing the nuts, we put on the high-pressure piston, a piston puller created by Henry and Scotty during the first rebuild. The piston rod is tapered on the end, so you must have quite a bit of mechanical leverage to remove the piston. Heat also helps in getting the piston dislodged.
This is Scotty. Yeah. Am I fine where I'm at, you think? Yeah, maybe.
Is that?
Oh.
After a lot of heating, tapping, and tightening,
By the way,
Got it.
help.
I got that in slow motion. I don't have much choice other than slowly.
Breathe.
Yeah, breathe, ready, and go with the contractions. Go.
Do you need a...
Big dumbbell. Big dummy dumbbell.
if you enjoyed this style of video, consider joining the NMHR YouTube channel. Hit the join button underneath this video or on our channel page to get early access to new videos or exclusive NMHR After Hours content like this, which will be membership only. My name is Kinda Circle, I was your host, and we'll see you next time.
Make the noise!
It's gonna be loud.
Make the noise! Do it! I'm ready. Go for it.